In this lesson, we will discuss Mathematics of Finance, chapter number 5, exercise 5.1 and question number 6. The question we have, if $800 is invested for 5 years at an annual simple interest rate of 14%. So see here, it is the simple interest of 14%. What is the accumulated value of the investment and what is the interest rate? So you have to find out first the accumulated value and then you have to find out how much interest you have earned. So I will show you how to proceed. I will write down the formula here. This is called the simple interest, right? SN for simple interest. P 1 plus I into N divided by 100 into M. So see, if 800 is invested, it means you have $800. You are going to invest for 5 years. N, M, I is 14% and S we have to find out. So as I have told you that first of all you have to figure out M. On the basis of M we can find out N. So here is years, 5 complete years. We do not have any months, we do not have any weeks, so it means M is 1. So here you can write down and 5 is N years. Right? If there are whole number of years, we do not have any months, we do not have any weeks, so we can write down 5 years. Otherwise, as I have told you, if we have a months, so first of all we have to decide M and then on the basis of M we will figure out N. So now if N is 5, it means SN, so we have to find out S5. It represent because N are 5 years, so P is 800 and then 1 plus 14 into 5, I is 14%, N is 5 years and divided by 100 into 1. We will simplify, it will be 70, 14, 5 times 70. I will go step by step, right? If you do not want to take the LCM, the simplest way is just divide 70 divided by 100. We will get 0.7. Now whatever is inside the parenthesis you have to solve first. It will be 1.7. Multiply 800 and 1.7, we will get $1,360. So this is S5. This is the first requirement. Accumulated value means total value, your original investment plus the interest. You are going to invest $800 today. After 5 years at the interest rate of 14% simple interest, you will get $1,360. And the second part is what is the interest? So this is the accumulated value. You have to subtract your initial investment, which is 800. So we will get 560. So 560 is your interest. This is the second part. So this is answer number 1 or requirement number 1, and this is the second requirement. I hope the question is clear. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.